Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Colourpop Little Ray of Sunshine collection. We have the palette, some eyeliner, some Super Shock shadows, a couple of lip glosses, I think a glow up oil from Fourth Ray, and something from Soul. So we're just going to go through and put these on my face and see what we think about them. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. I'm going to take off my glasses and put on a little bit of Milani eye primer real quick. Super excited about this collection. I've been waiting for it to come, and actually it didn't take as long as what's been taken for stuff to get here. I live in Tennessee, so coming from California, going DHL, and then hitting the post office, it seems like it takes forever. It's about to thunderstorm. It looked like it was wet. It looked wet outside, and I looked outside and my box is sitting on our truck in the front yard where the postman decides he wants to put stuff instead of under our covered porch. And he got lucky because I saw it right before literally I got a tornado warning, and I went out, got it, checked the mailbox to make sure he didn't put anything in the mailbox, because sometimes he'll put the stuff he can't fit in the mailbox on the truck, and then he'll put everything else in the mailbox. So I've had stuff in the mailbox too before. So I come back up from the mailbox, and as soon as I get to the porch, it starts pouring down raining and the tornado alarm starts going off. So he got super lucky that he didn't get a pissed off woman today. Because if my box would have got wet, like my BoxyCharm box got wet that one time, I would have been irate. Super irate. And I did my eyebrows again with the Milani pencil, the Precision Brow Pencil. So I got a general idea of what I want to do. We'll see how it works out. First I'm going to go in with Limoncello in my crease. This is what the palette looks like anyways. I don't think I showed y'all the palette yet. But super duper cute. And I'm going in with the BK Beauty 201 brush. It's the fluffy brush. Taking the BK Beauty 206 brush and going into chilling down here, this kind of brown color, brownish red color. And I'm going to put that on my outside corner of my eye. Alright, now we got, sorry for the rain, I can't control the weather. We got the Soak Up the Sun Super Shock Shadow Duo. And we got Flower Child and In Harmony in here. Let me show you both of these. Figure out which one I want to use. This is In Harmony. It's kind of a gold color. And we got Flower Child. Just kind of more of a silvery gold. I think I'm going to use the In Harmony, that gold. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid, just with my finger. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water on it, and I'm just going to clean up my lines or any fallout. Alright, I'm taking the 4th Ray Glow Up Face Oil, and I'm just going to put that on as my primer. Kind of has like a lemony scent to it. Alright, I think the rain's calmed down a little bit that I can keep going. I got the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation I'm going to put on. I'm going to dot that on my face. Yeah, the room that I'm in, it has kind of a metal roof, so you can hear the rain really bad when it's raining. So taking the Sigma Multitasker F47 brush and blending that out. And the shade that I'm in is Light 55N. I really enjoy this foundation, especially if you have dry skin. I think you would enjoy this foundation. That oil's got me shiny. I'm taking the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair 20N. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Taking my concealer brush to blend that out. Taking the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm putting that on my under eyes. My favorite under eye setting powder. Taking my Colourpop Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. I'm going to use that to warm up my face real quick. Going under my chin, down my neck. I'm going to use the Colourpop Pressed Powder Cheek in Crossroads. Going over my nose so I can be sunburnt and sun-kissed. while we can. Since summer's almost over. I'm taking the Colourpop Super Shock Highlighter in Eurotrip. I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Over my brow. My other brow. My nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. Taking Chillin' that I had on my outside corner, and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line. Alright, and I have 2 of the cream gel eyeliners. Alright, so we got Sunnyvale, which is a brown. And then we have Sub-Zero, which is kind of a gold. Let's see which one. I think I'm going to use Sunnyvale, the brown one, and just go in my inner rim. And I'm going to put a little bit of Flower Child on my inner corner. Just take it on my finger and stamp it right on the inner corner. I'm going to throw on the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara, the BFF Volumizing Mascara in Brownie Points. And I'm going to put those on my lashes real quick. Alright, so now we have 2 different lip glosses. This one is Always Sunny. And then we have Sun Soaked. I'm going to try both of these on first with Always Sunny. And these have the brush tip, so kind of stiff. Smell good. This is kind of clear with a little bit of glitter. And that's Always Sunny. Smell really good. And this is Sun Soaked. I'm going to use the 4th Ray Glisten Up Illuminating Mist that was in the Garden Variety collection. smells like lemons. And we also have the Soul Lemon Drop Shimmering Dry Oil. I put a little bit on my hand so you can kind of see maybe a little bit of what it looks like. Don't really smell like lemons to me. Everything else smelled like lemons, but that doesn't really smell like lemons to me. Put a little bit on my chest area. Alright, this is the final look using the Colourpop Sunflower Collection, or I think that's what it was called. But it's the little Ray of Sunshine palette with the collection. I enjoyed everything that I used. I really love the palette. It's all mattes, so it's the first all matte palette from Colourpop, which is pretty exciting. I love that they put the Super Shock shadows in there that you can add if you wanted a little bit of shimmer, which, you know, I love me some shimmer. The lip glosses I really liked. They're kind of sheer, and I hate the applicator. That's the only thing that I hate, because it's hard, but then it's got the brush, and it's just weird. I don't know. I don't like the brush tip. But the eyeliners I love. The glow oil was really pretty. It's got me super glowy. I think it was really pretty. Now that smelled like lemons, but the Soul Lemon Drop Shimmering Dry Oil didn't smell like lemons. Now that's something I don't know how much I'll use, but I do think that it's cute if you're going to the beach or going to the pool or something like that. Throwing that on would be good. So I really like the collection. I think it was really cohesive. It's a smaller collection, but I think that it really went together well. I think that it's perfect for this time of year, the end of the summer, the beginning of fall, because you still have those fall colors, but you can still make some sunny looks as well. So I really enjoyed playing with this collection today. I really love the look that I came up with, and it actually wasn't super expensive either. I think for the whole collection it was like $60 something, so it wasn't too bad for the collection compared to some of the other collections they've had recently. It's a decent price. So I really enjoyed everything. Can't wait to play with it some more and see what other type of looks I can come up with. I hope you enjoyed watching me come up with my look, putting everything on my face today. If you did like it, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. Also ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all for me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.